Mar doho mamalo mogik Smokin Wanjala wacho ni ng'ur mag weche yiero ok owinjore chop kata mani doho. Wanjala wacho ni owinjore migepe duto matayo chenro mag yiero otim tich makare maneno ni bang' yiero onge ng'ur moko machwe keto doho gi osigo mar thego josiasa. Ne olosi kinde chenro mar rango kaka ne otayo yiero mokalo e pacho ka.
In advanced democracies, there are usually, very rarely, disputes that emanate from an electoral process. But in a fragile democracy such as ours, there are certain things that are not adhered to, whatever the lofty provisions in the Constitution. And therefore, it does mean that disputes will emanate from an electoral process. And for those disputes to be resolved fairly and impartially, they find themselves in court. That's why in Kenya you always find that after an election, a general election especially, you then follow a process of election petitions.
The compendium is an essential resource that encompasses the rich, dynamic and evolving jurisprudence developed by the courts during the last